Windows 7 is an operating system that Microsoft company launched after Windows Vista in 2006. This operating system allows your computer to administer programs and perform basic tasks, and its interface is the graphical user interface. It allows you to have a visual interaction with the device functions in a logical, fun, and easy way. Among its main advantages over its predecessors is that it is faster, uses fewer resources, and it is easy to use. Windows 7 is very similar to Windows Vista. In fact, it has many functions. Same.
Basic tasks of Windows 7. Personalize the computer. Usually, the first action of any user is to personalize the computer, namely, to give the appropriate working skills so that the user's experience can be more enjoyable and productive. Change the image of the user's account. The image of the user account is displayed in the upper part of the right pane in the right start menu. Change the image of the user's account. Well, as it is known, the image of the user account is displayed in the upper part of the right pane of the start menu. To change this image, you must perform the following procedure. First, click on the start menu and in the image that is in the upper part of the right pane, right here. Or if you don't want to do that, you can go to Control Pane and click on the link of Change Your Picture here. And finally, you are about to choose your new picture, so you're free to use it. Just clicking right here. Another thing you can change is the background desktop. Change the background desktop. First, you have to go to Control Panel, right here. Then to Appearance and Personalization. Next, you have to go to Personalization. And at the end of this stage, you have to go to Desktop Background right here. Also, as you could have noticed, you can change the color of a window so as to sound all this in the menu of Personalization.
The option Backup and Restore permits you to create backups of the personal files that you consider the most important, so you remain prepared for any contingency that may occur in our computer equipment. The Action Center permits the user to see the alerts and perform the necessary actions, so the operating system Windows 7 works without problems. It shows the user important messages about the security options and maintenance that the computer requires. A firewall is a whole system of defense, blocking or allowing the passage of information from internet, and prevents that hacker or people have access to the computer equipment. What the firewall do is to create a wall between internet and the computer, like the physical wall. Antivirus software prevents, detects, and performs pertinent actions to delete and or remove malware, such as the virus. A virus is a program designed intentionally to interfere the good performance of the computer equipment, to spread to other equipment and in a network and the internet. The defragmentation of the hard disk helps the equipment to have access to all data in a quickly way. Defragmentation occurs as time goes by, when the user stores, deletes, or changes files or folders. Ready boost function is to help the equipment to improve the performance when memory starts running slowly. The low memory can cause the computer to operate slowly because Windows needs a place to store data and therefore resorts to the hard disk. The random access memory ROM in certain moments could present problems and do not work in an optimal way. Generally, the operative system Windows detects these fails and displays a window requesting if it is desired to execute the tool of diagnostic memory. Talking about a processor of 32 or 64 bytes refers to the way that the processor administers the information. The version of 64 bytes of Windows administrates great amounts of random access memory in a more efficient way than a system which operates with 32 bytes. ObjectDoc is a software that simulates the graphical environment of the OS X operative system, which displays a bar similar to the Mac OS X. It is easy to use and personalize. It is needed to install this program in the computer.